Honor unveiled the Pad X9 to the markets. This is the flagship pad of the series. It also has a stylish and Bluetooth keyboard support. And you get Wi-Fi connectivity. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Pad X9 comes with a metal unibody design and features a 4 speakers. The tablet is powered by Snapdragon 685 6nm chipset with the addition of 2.8 GHz octa-core processor. And for base graphics, the tablet has GPU of 18610. There will be 8 GB of RAM. The Honor Pad X9a has an TFT LCD touchscreen display and built around an 11.5 inches and with a resolution of 1504 by 2508 pixels. It has an 120 Hz refresh rate and 400 nits peak brightness and 12 GB of internal memory. There will be single camera back on this amazing pad and main sensor is 8 megapixel and front facing camera is 5 megapixel. It is fueled by 8300 mAh battery with 35 watt fast charging support. The Honor Pad X9 is offered in grey and other colors. That's all for now and thanks for watching.